If you are selling food or sell anything online, you might be losing customer right now because of simple mistakes that are hiding your business online. Like this brand that I come across, like Mama Does. The brand is a food vendor that are selling food online, delivery to people that order food from them. And she take a bold step to list a business on Karim and Deliveroo. And that's really got my attention because most of the food vendor I know here, they only care about like selling to the people in their area, or rather when you order, they look for delivery person to come and deliver to you. But she take a bold step to list her business on Karim and Deliveroo. That really got my attention, and that's why I'm making this audit for her business and tell her some mistakes that is on her page that she can fix for her to get more visibility online. And when people search for African food in Dubai or African food delivery in Dubai, a page or a business, a website can show to the people that are looking for them, which will increase our sales and customer. So going to like Mama Does, the first thing about this is the primary category is meat delivery, which is okay. I don't know, your secondary category should be like African restaurant, catering, like that, because that will tell the Google about your business profile. And the first mistake on this page is that you put a physical location when you don't have dining. People, and I see from one of your reviews that they click on your location and they come there and they were shut down because you don't have physical location. You shouldn't have the physical location on your Google business profile, and that alone also will make Google not to show you to people that are looking for your business. So you have to hide the physical location and choose it as service area and include the area that you can deliver it to, that you deliver food to. And also on the linking, you put link there, which like uh you have website. Last time I checked, you did not have website, but right now when I check, maybe like yesterday, I see that you have websites created already. So you remove this link tree from here and put your website there. And also on the menu, it's okay, excellent, and review. People are having giving good review. But coming to the main thing also, which is the business description. On your business description, you write a lot of words there, but they are not keyword optimized. They are not even serving like any purpose. Because first thing is that a lot of customers that are coming to your page will not really read the business description. I'm very sure they will focus on the post rather than coming to read the description. But you have to make the description serve the purpose of for Google to know what your business all about. You understand? And in the here you write, at the heart of our culinary journey is a deep da 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 da. A lot of people make mistake about this thing. They want to write their brand brand words or brand tone to on Google business description. Although you can include it, but not like this. You have to focus on SEO keyword. Like you have to focus on more on the keyword that people might be looking for. Like it's supposed to be like, maybe let's say for example, like we are Dubai based African restaurant, African meat delivery service. We deliver authentic Nigerian food, West African dishes, freshly cooked, something like that. That will be like it's talking about what you do. Like you can even mention inside it like we make a foriro, a goosey, all type of food that you are making, and the location that you deliver to, you include it in your Google business description. So when people search for something, some kind of keywords, your Google will know that your business is offering that service. So you have to change on that too. And also on the post, you have leave your Google business profile for like I think the last post there is a year ago. It shouldn't be like that. You have to be posting regularly on your page. And again, you focus more on posting the already done food. Same way on your Instagram also. It's not the as a food vendor that's selling food, your main, what's it called, your content should focus mainly on three things. And the first thing is the behind the scene of the cooking, not just the finished product that you have already cooked. You understand? You have to be showing people like your content should be like, when you are cooking this jollof, cook this jollof rice with me, the steps. That show that you know what you are doing, and you know exactly. That will make people that you will have like maybe like three options with that, three benefits with that. People will know that you know what you are like, you know the step to the right way to cook the food, and people that also know how to cook can testify to that. And also again, you are teaching some people to know how to cook. Also, that doesn't mean that they will not come and buy food. And again, the second one should be the testimonial. The testimonial of people when they eat the food, what they feel. It's not about the review alone. If you can, there is a way like I see a lot of you a lot of posts when you go to gathering, you make the video about it, but instead of your own video, make a video of when people eat the food, what they feel, like their feelings, they're happy when they're happy. They are actually, I call it, how happy they feel when they eat the food. That means a lot, that we attract more customer for your business. And the third one, that should be all these type of food that you cook, also the recipe, you can be posting that too. That's also about your Instagram and your Google business profile. I wish you success, and I think you should take note of this just simple mistake that I highlight here and fix them. And I'm very sure if you do that, you will see that your customer will increase and the sales will increase. Because the most important thing is that when people search for your business, they see you. The word of mouth help in business, but also when they are searching for it organically, you should be showing up when they search for it. My name is Kodratic. Thank you.